well. Welcome back to the channel. Got something a little different today. We're in my hometown. We have our summer steam and gas engine show. We're going to start up some of these big 100-year-old oil field and related engines. Show you kind of how that works. Most of these engines in this building are all air start. I'll show you the compressor. When I get back here, you won't be able to hear me talking. So we're about ready to go because we got two air tanks back here. We get up to about 80 pounds of pressure, and then we can start. Go back here. This is the first engine in line. This is a pretty unique engine. It's a 35 horse Olin from Titusville, PA engine. This is a hit and miss engine, and we're going to he's just putting the air to it now, and you'll see when it starts to fire, he'll go back and get the compression release so it fires better. Like it's firing now. There it goes, firing better. So you can hear the exhaust coming out the side of the building here, and you hear it just freewheeling now. This has its own water pump on it because it's such a big engine. Everything's got all these drip boilers. This particular engine is running on a hot tube. See this? Chimney here, and there's a red hot hollow tube up in there. When the gas comes up from the chest into that and ignites, that's when it fires. Most of the rest of these are having a magneto of some type on it. We'll go over here to the 40 horse Clark. This one has a on it here. We've already got these. We have marks on these flywheels so we know where top dead center is. We already have this one set on compression. This is our air valve comes from the compressor, and our gas valve here. They pretty much got it set there. So what we'll do is we'll open this gas valve up after we get a few revolutions on the intake. I'm going to see if I can work the gas valve here while he works the gas, and go from there. Ready? Go. We got her spinning over here now. There it goes. We'll shut the air off. Run for a little while, get up to speed, and then slow it down a little bit, just let it get a good flow going. This is a 40 horse Clark engine made in Olean, New York. I'm not sure exactly where this engine came from, but the back half of this engine was a compressor. It was used to compress natural gas in a pumping station and pump it on down the line. But now it lives here. It's home for the rest of its life, hopefully, and it's got its own water pump also. That's pretty much all there is to getting some of these going if they're running right. And we have another Clark over here. We haven't run it for a while. There's another Reed. We had it running, but we may end up running it a little bit later. But that's just a little bit of an idea of how these things ran and how they used to work them. So, thanks for for watching. Like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next one. Catch y'all later.